If you want to create fluid tank controls for your game, don't miss this tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome to another Unity tutorial. In this video we're going to build a mobile joystick control system for a 3D tank. Here's what we'll cover. 1. First joystick for moving the tank and rotating its body. 2. Second joystick for independent turret rotation. 3. Optimizing the code for smooth and professional controls. Joystick pack used in this tutorial. Let's get started. Step 1. Adding joystick pack to the project. The joystick pack includes various ready-to-use joystick components for Unity. We'll use it to control both the tank movement and turret rotation. Steps. Download and import joystick pack into Unity. Add 2 joysticks to the scene. First joystick controls tank movement and rotation. Second joystick controls turret rotation independently. Now, let's jump into coding. Step 2. Coding the tank and turret controls. Now, let's create a new script called Tank Controller and configure the joysticks. How the code works. First joystick moves the tank and rotates its body in the direction of movement. Second joystick independently rotates the turret. Step adding the script to the tank in Unity steps. Select the tank game object in the hierarchy. Attach the tank controller script to the rigid body component of the tank. Assign the move joystick and turret joystick in the inspector. Also, assign the tank body and turret transforms in the script. Now it is time to test our controls. Hit the play button and let's see how it works. First joystick moves the tank and rotates the body in the movement direction. Second joystick rotates the turret independently without affecting the tank's movement. If the turret rotates too fast, decrease turret rotation speed. If the tank moves too fast or too slow, adjust move speed. Now we have a fully functional and smooth tank control system. And that's it! Now you have a complete tank control system in Unity. Tank movement and body rotation with the first joystick, independent turret rotation with the second joystick, smooth and precise mobile controls. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more Unity tutorials.